this video I'll tell you guys about some macronutrients. So I wrote down here some topics I will talk about. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is macros. You really need to understand what macros are to lose some weight or gain weight. So first of all, you have protein. Protein is to maintain some muscle mass and repair some muscle tissue. I'm gonna talk now about some carbs. Carbs are energy and fuel sources for your body. Carbs are the first thing that your body goes to for energy and fuel. I suggest to take your carbs around your workouts, so before or after your workout, because carbs are energy sources, and if you don't use those energy sources, it will resort to fat and you will gain weight. There are also diets like keto diets that don't contain some carbs, but that's not good. Carbs also help to transport some proteins to your muscles, so don't cut all your carbs out. Contain about 100 to 200 grams of carbs to your diet if you're cutting. So like me, I'm containing about 100 maximum that will be 150 grams a day. Third thing that I'm gonna talk about is fats. Fats are the second sources for energy and fuel. When you run out of carbohydrates in your body, your body will switch from carbs to burning some fat for fuel and energy. So I will try to explain this a little bit better. So you need to think that your body is a car. So that's saying carbs are the fuel of your body, so it can tell you how far you can go. Fats are like how good your car is gonna run. You need to think that fats are your motor oil, because it's gonna tell you how good your car will run. Protein, you need to think that protein is your frame of your car. So without a frame, you don't have a car, basically. So I hope that these tips will help you guys to understand what macros are. I will make a better video in the future explaining these things, how many carbs, how many proteins, how many fats that your body needs to consume a day. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you all liked the video. Comment, subscribe, share the video. See you at the next one.